situation. We run out of fuel. We put fuel in the tank. The tank is filling. Put over 67 gallons of fuel. So we have fuel in the tank. But we have a problem. We have a problem that we have no fuel in the filter. So the truck doesn't start if you don't have fuel here. So we have to bleed the system. If you start now, it's not going to start. Of course, I still have the fuel tank open, but that has nothing to do with the problem. The problem is that you have to have fuel here. You have to have fuel here, so we have to open. This is now the third time, and you have to make sure that this gasket is clean and okay. We put that on the side for now. We have to have fuel here. We have to have fuel here in the filter because it has no fuel. Come here, you put fuel in the filter. You need that's very fast. Well, that's enough. Let us see if that will work. It is just to put that on the side for now. And so we got the fuel here. Should not have any sand or any dirt on it. Of course, you have to come here and bleed it. Come on, buddy. You have to bleed it until it is almost, you can feel the suction from, you can hear the suction from the fuel tank to get rid of the air. That should do it. Tighten it and let us start. Just tighten that. Should start. Just close that. stretch. Let us put that back where it belongs. And let us tighten. It's going down a little bit. Make sure that's tight. And let us start again. This is moving down, which means it is working. Let us just do some more pumping here. Okay, so it's going down. It's going to the system.